Welcome to another video on my walking robot Mirft2, based on the fischertechnik TXT controller, and all other parts are also fischertechnik. The controller is running embedded Linux and can run two firmwares, being the community firmware and the default firmware. On the community side, programmed in Python with OpenCV. While there now is a camera missing, and on the default side no camera possible, where it goes to access of it. Last time I tried to make a connection to use Bluetooth. I did it as well on this one, on the Discovery, the driving robot, which features the same kind of controller. I found out that that is not possible to do it the same way, so the focus this time is once again to gain access to the controller. So let's go and see. Right, so first thing to do is making connection via VNC, which is supposed to run here. It is, as far as I can see, active, but I'm not quite sure. Let's also see here for the connection. No, there's no connection yet. And it's running the default firmware. So last time it was also the strange thing that making connection took quite a long time, and still doesn't do it. It's not even trying right now, as far as I can see. It's not in the list. So this is pretty annoying, which means I can't do anything. What I can do is, oh, this is really strange. Why does this work? Okay, quit. And even that doesn't work. Okay, let's try another one. Yep, that one does work, so it is on the controller side that it doesn't work. This is of course ROBOPro, which I have to set yet, and this case is set to wireless, and only now it's gaining access. Is that because I access ROBOPro? I don't think so. Anyway, now it's connected. So that took more than a minute, which is very annoying, of course. Let's connect. Yeah, okay. So it did connect now. Can I make? Yeah, I can make. So this kind of stuff works. Now can I give myself access? Oh wait, there's another one which I started, which is because I'm of Bluetooth, but that won't work. Going here. Hotkey verification. Of course, I should have known. But let's do it and try anyway. And this works. The program, I could download one, but well, without OpenCV there is not much fun. So let's get to the other firmware and see if I can get access to that, because that was a culprit some time ago. First it started with this one or the other one. Anyway, I suddenly didn't get control anymore. I couldn't log in, like here. This I can, no problem. Reboot into a different one. Alright, controller is switched off. SD card right here has been pushed in. Let's see. And I don't have to be afraid of losing power because it's on the AC adapter. And if everything is right, this bar will color yellow, indicating the community firmware. Yeah, community edition. Let me refocus the camera a little bit. That is the one. Now I don't have to wait for this one because it is now on this address. This one is of no use. I have to set a different IP address. Connect. Really? Connect. Really? Okay, that's a new one. I'm at the host key has failed. And okay, so let's delete this one. Let's do this. I'm in. Oh, I'm definitely in. This is a very strange event happening right now, because it used to know this IP address, and another thing is I don't have to use my password. This is very odd. Extremely odd. Why does it not use a password? Because there is one. I set it. That said, let me give myself access to everything that I want to know. And everything is off. This is HDaemon is on, VNC is on, boot SSD is off, which is strange because without boot SSD I should even be able to boot from the SSD card or from the SD card. But right now I have access because I activated VNC server. Can I run it? Most probably I can. So what I will do now is attach the camera anyway and see if I can get images. That is a very nice effect of this one. Another strange thing, I have reset up the whole thing, so I added the objects to be recognized by the camera and the program. However, connection was closed and remote host verification failed once again. So I have to do this all over. Then, yes, and password. No kidding. So while I was earlier able to access it without password, now I have to use a password and I get permission denied. No kidding. The same problem again. So let me remove it once again. And it asks for the password, which will fill because I didn't change anything about that one. Right. What I now will do is reboot and see whatever happens. So, let me turn the camera a bit. Press this button to shut down. Reboot. Okay. And whatever happens, happens. Okay, rebooted. Now I'm very curious, can I use the VNC? No. That means that I have to set it again, and then I am afraid, I am quite certain that I have to set everything again. Yes, this is HDaemon VNC server. So now I get it. Well, I get this anyway. I will see for this. Yeah, it has it. Okay, remove. Go. Yes, because I removed it and it requests my password, which no doubt will fill. So, as to why, I really have no clue. What has the fingerprint to do with the password? I'm tempted to find out, given the fact that this video is running towards the 15 minutes. But let me just check for a moment. Okay, a final thing for this episode. I found a way to debug my failing login, and it clearly tells me that it reverts to asking a password because it says there is no such thing as this file or directory. Well, this is that directory, and this is that file. So yes, it is there. So why doesn't it recognize it? I don't know. Anyway, that is the point where I will start next time, be it on this one or the Discovery, my running robot with the same controller, same model controller. So despite the first thing that I had, because I was suddenly in without a password, this is a good starting point for next time. And with this not very nice result, I say thank you for watching. This is what I would have hoped to see on the images taken by this camera, but alas. Thanks for watching anyway. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. And please show support by making a donation via either PayPal or IBAN, or become a patron. More information under this video and also in the last segment of this video. Obviously going to be continued. So for now, stay safe, have a great day, bye.